Thank you, Gary. Thank you very much because it allowed me to feel my heart again. Because I read a lot of motivational quotes and people around me to tell me, think positive, feel positive, but I just don't know how. Because of these 4 days, now I found my answer and I am very happy. Thank you very much. Thank you all.
Right. So through this course, I learned that how to unleash my inner strength through the process of awareness.
I come into program trying to find a way to solve my problem, feeling disempowered, but now I fully understand what is stopping me. In fact, my inner world is the one that I need to resolve, and this program has helped me to see all the crap, and I'm able to actually have the strength now to remove all. Beside having to solve my own problem, I also earn a lot of good relationship. I feel so loved in this environment, and I'm feeling like I'm born into a new family. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Gary. These 4 days at CYM has been very great and amazing feeling for me, with all the emotion, happiness, sadness, and together with all the angel and the friends that I met here. I think it's really something that I did not expected. Now I know that I can actually forgive others and forgive myself, as well as being a leader, and creating my own miracles and pursue my own dreams. Thank you very much, Gary.
This course has gave me energy to actually tell my parents I love you, which life-threatening car accident couldn't even make me do it lah. So yeah, that was very powerful. So thank you so much.
This course made me realize my fears and then how can I actually change my state of mind instantly. So I really thank you for that. Thank you.
Yes, and first I felt that I'm just a nobody. It doesn't make a difference if I'm here or not. But one of my teammates actually told that I actually give her the green light to release herself, and I felt that okay. I was really touched by it. Yes. And I felt that I'm not useless actually. Thank you.